this tutorial, I just want to show you how the golden ratio can be used in typography hierarchy. If you're designing with your smartphone, how you can use this size to actually make things go down and take the appropriate side for your next text to create hierarchy. So welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time, please hit the subscribe button. If you find this video helpful at the end, please hit the like button. And without further ado, let's get right into it. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is to make sure that we know the size of this text. So we're going to go to the text folder, text layer, and we're just going to check out the size. Okay, the size is 147. Okay, we are going to take note of this size. Then we're going to go to the second text and we're going to reduce it using the golden ratio. Okay, so let's go to our calculator. We're going to type in the golden ratio, which is, let's type in the number first, 143, I guess so. Let me check size. Okay, 147. So we're going to divide it by the golden ratio. Okay, we're going to click the divide, and the golden ratio number is 1.618. okay, this is the golden ratio number. Always have this number in your mind. It's very easy to remember. 1618. Okay, then just put point here. So we have the next variable to be 90. Okay, forget this, you can approximate this to be 91. So what it simply means is we're going to go to our next text and we're going to make it 91. Okay, so we're going to take this and just reduce it to 91. Okay, 91. Let's try and get that, and let's just make it 91. Okay, and click OK and place it here. And the next one, since we've gotten 90, I'm going to come to this number and say 91. Okay, that means our next text should have this number. This is 56. So let's reduce this to be 56. Text size 56. Okay, 56. Okay, what the golden ratio actually means is, let me use this to align this down. Okay, it doesn't have to be perfect, you just need to understand. So when using the golden ratio for hierarchy building, is that your text can be your title, and this size can be your subheading, and this can be your body copy. But sometimes, because this one is also big, what I do most times, just by looking at it that this one is also so big, I can actually reduce this text size, I mean the width, to a different width, just to create some sense of hierarchy. So let's go to, since we are using Poppins as our font, so we can go choose something like Poppins Light. Okay, and just create it like this. Okay, so we have the heading, subheading, and a body copy. So we can actually take this a little bit to create more contrast by selecting this one and creating more and dividing it again with a hierarchy. I think we have 50 something. Let me check that again. Let's check the text size, 56. Okay, let's divide it again by 56. Let's divide 56. Okay, let's clear that 56. Okay, divide by this, we have 34. So we can actually make this to be 34 and just crack it down, 34. Okay, so this can actually be your body copy. Okay, so this is how you can actually use a golden ratio to actually make your text to create hierarchy. Okay, let me just align this to the left. Okay, so this is how you can actually use it to create some sense of hierarchy. Okay, by design thinking here, I think I should make this design is, let's remove that is and place it on this thinking design is. Okay, just to create a sense of balance there. Okay, now you can see that the text is flowing well because the size are actually following the golden ratio. Okay, so when you want to increase the text, maybe let's say this one is so small, or you just need to multiply this. You can take this number and you can say multiply, which is times, and it's going to give you 90. And it's going to give you 90, and if you replace this number now with 90, it's going to give you 145. So this is how you're just going to get the number incrementally in trying to use the golden ratio. That's why in our design that we made the other time, we were able to like get the hierarchy based on this number. We're doing 32, 16, 140 something, 30 something, 35, and all of that. It was the golden ratio that was actually guiding me to choose how big should my next text be, how small should the following text be. So this is how the golden ratio can actually help you. Always remember the number, it's 1.618. okay, so that brings us to the end of the video. If you find it helpful, please hit the like button. If this is your first time, please hit the subscribe button. And today is day 23 of me teaching what I know as a graphic designer. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.